Welcome to this new tutorial with Python. I'm going to use PyCharm to write a code with Python. This code is a very simple code. It's going to get the as input the username and age, then print it. So now let's get started. Now I'm going to define some functions. I'll go straight to the point. Function def. This function is going to be used to get the name of the user. The name of the user, as you can see. So that's the function. So this is how you declare a function in Python if you didn't know. And I will give a variable called name str. Just to specify the type of that variable, it will be a string. Then in a loop, the while loop, I'll give this a while loop where you give some set conditions, and when they are fulfilled, it will repeat and repeat a certain part of the code. So in this while loop, I'll say when the name str is equals to empty, that's Python empty, which is eventually true as it has been declared up here. It will do that name str, and here this is the function input. This function input used to get specific value from the user by telling him in the function what you want to get. Like here, I'll say what is your name. What is your name? Now we are going to return. Just to note that each function returns a value, or you might create a function and then return anything good. Yeah, this function will return a value called name str, and that's a function used to get the name. So now we're going to test this function here by calling the function name equals get name, and we're just simply going to print name here, and that's it. So as you can see, this is in the function. Within the function, it asks what's your name, and you give a name. So let's take Parfait, and so that's it. Parfait printed. So now you can pause this video and try writing the function that will get the name, the age, sorry, of the user, and try printing out. If it works, good. So now I'm going to do the correction. Assuming you try is good. So now let's continue. And in Python, don't forget, skip at least 2 lines before you start with a new function. There your work is more clean, and and Python understands it's a new function. So now we're going to create a new function, get age. This function is going to get the age of the user. So the age will be a little bit different because at the end I would like our age to be an integer. So we're going to do that, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to get the type of a variable in Python. So you have sorry you have age. This age will be an integer. As you can see, no, I'll put no quotes. This age should be an integer, and our condition here is where age int is equals to 0, which is true, obviously true. Then now you have the age, another variable age str.